Hi, YouTubers. We have a new DIY, which is the Dollar Tree Snowman Ornament. So I went to Hobby Lobby about a week ago and got all these candies. And I did another video where I used the gingerbread man or the gingerbread house for the candies. So I have extra. I have tons. So I'm going to use them in all kinds of different projects. So that means it's pretty much free. So what I'm going to do is put some E6000 and use one of the orange sort of, what I use them for lights, on the gingerbread house. I'm going to use it as a nose for my snowman. I think that is, pretty cute. Took a little time for it to harden, but hey, that's okay. But it looks really good. Look at that nose. Yeah. We got a nose. Pretty cool. Then I'm going to take some black paint or charcoal paint and I am going to color all the spots, like the eyes, the belly, and put that on there because I think it needs a little accent so that way you can see the belly and you can see the eyes. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to do a little touch-up paint, cover up those little eyes in between that nose. And then I'm going to do the coal for the belly. I think that looks really good. Not bad for my under $5 ornament. I mean, that's what we want to do, is save some money during Christmas. So under $5 is pretty good. The reason I said under $5, just in case you guys have to go and buy the candies at Hobby Lobby, they are on sale 50% off. They were $2.99 a bag. So if you get half off, you spend $1.50. They have them all in the area, like the craft area over by the Christmas ornaments is where I found them. So just in case you need them. So I'm going to let this dry and we'll be back. Alright, so I got more candies and I figured it needs something else on it. Maybe a peppermint stick or a candy in its hand, showing how sweet he is. I have a thing about the glue. Sometimes it does a smear job. Because the surface is round for his candy kept sliding. So I had to get some tape and tape it to where it'll stay and it won't shift. And of course, of me putting tape on it, I smear the belly of of the little ornament. So I have to repaint it. Just like me. Always something. So here I am. I'm going to touch that up. Let it dry after I touch it up. So what I did next was I went to Hobby Lobby last year and I got this fake snow, and it's iridescent. It's really pretty. Once I take the tape off, and then I see a little bit of glue, and it bugs me if I see glue. So let's just say that I'm a sticker for things not being perfect. So I got to get a razor blade out before I can do my fake snow job here, which is hilariously funny. You have to wait and see this. I could not believe myself. So I got it off. Now I got my fake snow in my coffee creamer container because that's the way I like storing some of my stuff. It keeps it all in its own place. So then I tried first to shake it in there. Then I decided to make a funnel. The funnel thing did not work very well either because it got stuck when it was going down into the hole. So I pushed my finger down it. Still didn't do anything. So you know how that goes. So I just sort of have to take it off. So then I sat there and thought about it. Like, what else could I do to get this in there? It took me forever. Let's just say I speeded up the video because it was taking a long time. But it gets funnier. Let's just say this. So I take the lid off and I put the bottle inside of it and shake the dickens out of it. Like, literally. Felt like I was shaking pop. I could not get it out of there. It just took forever. So I'm like, why is this taking so long? So then I shook it some more, and I thought the whole little snowman was going to throw up. I thought for sure he's gonna throw up on me because I'm just shaking the dickens out of him. Then I'm flicking it, squeezing it. I'm doing everything I could think possible to get the fake snow inside, and it was hilarious. I thought, this is gonna take me forever. I just know it. So I finally got in, put the lid on it. I had some ribbon that had the buffalo check on it, so I decided to put that on there. And I didn't know what I was going to do for his hat. So then I had these pipe cleaners that I got last year, and I just save them. So what I did was take the pipe cleaners, glue it around the top to make him like have a toboggan or a snow cap. So I'm wrapping it around and I'm gluing it, and for some reason it just springs off every time. I'm like, talk about happy accidents. This thing keeps jumping up on me. And I thought, boing, boing, it did it again. I'm like, geez, please. And then I decided, okay, I need another color. Let's do another color. That way, you know, it looks like it's a knit hat because, you know, it's going around in sections. As soon as I put the glue onto the purple one, the blue one pops off. I'm like, geez, boing. So I have to hold it. And I hold it until it dries, and then I wrap it around, and then I decide I'm going to do it again, glue again, and then it boings again. See? Boing. I'm having a blast. This is probably more fun than anything. It just keeps popping up. The more glue I put, it seems like it just wants to pop. So I finally get it all together, and now I am going to do another layer and see if it boings up too, which I hope it doesn't, because this thing has been just going up and down the whole time. Yeah, I'm just having nothing but problems. I mean, it got to be easier than this. I'm like, me and the pipe cleaner is having, you know, its own little issue today. I get it all the way on though, and it just boings. It's my new thing, boing. So let me get all that together, and then I had to look in my stash for a pom-pom, and I did find one. It was red. It just keeps boinging, boing, boing. Just my luck. This is what you call a happy accident. It just keeps popping up. Finally get it all done. It stops doing its boinging. I went and got the pom-pom, which is a red and green iridescent pom-pom, and I put it on there so that way it'll look like it is a cap or a knitted cap. That's pretty much what I was trying to go for, is a knitted cap, and I got it. It looks so cute. I'm so happy for it. I'm not sure who I'm going to give it to. I might give it to my son, because he likes Snowman. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We're out for having fun, and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.